So today's Galaxy Unpacked Day, and we're expecting to get the S22 series, probably some A series announcements, and an announcement regarding One UI. There is a lot to cover, and here I've got some of the best features that the S22 series is set to come with. Let's get right into the video. First of all, the brightest OLED display ever. The S22 Ultra is expected to bring us the brightest OLED display ever with a reported 1800 nits of brightness, which would make it the first smartphone with an OLED display to get that bright. For comparison, the S21 Ultra of last year had a peak brightness of 1500 nits, which is still brighter than even that of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which had a peak brightness of 1200 nits. The display is so bright you'll probably be able to see your future in it. Next up, supernatural handwriting. The new S22 Ultra is all but confirmed to come with a built-in S Pen, unlike the S21 Ultra, and it's to come with a record-breaking 2.8 millisecond response time, meaning super smooth, paper-like note-taking. This video was not sponsored by Paperlike. Next up, we have Android 16. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung recently announced that starting from the S21 series of last year, their devices will begin to get 4 years of major software upgrades, which is amazing, seeing as Google, which previously offered the longest software support on Android, still only offers 3 years. Getting the S22 Ultra is going to ensure your software stays up to date well past the standard life cycle of most smartphones. So if you're planning on keeping your smartphone for a while, this will be great news for you. Next, we have the best price to size ratio on the market. While the Pixel 6 arguably has the best value for the price, when it comes to size, power, software features, and hardware quality, it's really going to be difficult to beat the S22 Ultra. Coming in at $1199 with an amazing camera system, a huge battery, one of the best displays in smartphone history, the latest gen processor, and a super premium build. The regular S22 comes with a 6.1-inch display for about $799, the S22 Plus comes with a 6.4-inch display at $999, and the S22 Ultra comes with a humongous 6.8 or 6.9-inch display for $1199, making the S22 series the most balanced in terms of price in recent years when it comes to Galaxy smartphones. Moving on, we've got the fastest charging on a Galaxy device. Yes, 45-watt charging returns to the S22 lineup, and while this isn't the fastest charging standard on the market, it is quite a bit faster than the 25-watt charging we have gotten used to, as the last Samsung smartphone to support a faster standard than this was the Galaxy Note 10 Plus of 2019. Having 45 watts of fast charging back is definitely a very welcome return. Okay, now we've got new cameras plus super clear lens. After years and years of using the same 12 megapixel sensors, Samsung is finally upgrading the sensors on the S22 and S22 Plus. They're getting 50 megapixel ISOCELL GM5 sensors and 3 times telephoto lenses. These are some serious camera upgrades, and we can expect some serious improvements, especially in low light situations. The S22 Ultra will feature the same 108 megapixel sensor as the S21 Ultra. However, it will feature a new super clear glass lens, which is meant to enhance details and get rid of lens flare and glare in photos. And as for videos, we're expecting to get 12-bit HDR video recording for the first time, and this is intended to give us up to 64 times more vivid colors in comparison to 10-bit video and ultra levels of detail in videos, as we will be able to shoot these videos in up to 8K. And still on the cameras, we're getting some interesting AI camera features such as super resolution or enhanced detail mode, which basically takes 108 megapixel pictures, leaving you with a lot of room to zoom in and crop if you'd like. We're also getting nightography mode, which is Samsung's strongest iteration of night mode till date. It's set to work by combining 20 frames at different levels of exposure to deliver an amazing night shot. Portrait mode is set to get some improvements as well, with more detail and much better bokeh. Next up, Samsung X Snapchat. So we've heard that Samsung is working hand in hand with Snapchat in order to improve the quality of the camera on Samsung devices when using Snapchat. So we're expecting to get features like space zoom, multi-camera support, and even nightography support when using the Snapchat app or the Snapchat camera, which is going to be amazing if it actually works out. And the next point, ultra durability. The Galaxy S20 series was one of the first devices to come with Gorilla Glass Victus, and now that it's a few years later, we expect an improved version of Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, as well as the armor aluminum frame to make the overall build stronger and more sturdy. But as always, be careful with your expensive device because glass is glass, and glass what? It breaks. Yeah, right. So let me know your thoughts on all of these features in the comment section right below the like button, and please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. My name is Johannes, this is Tech PhD, and I'll see you in one of the videos showing on the screen. All over right here. Yeah. Stay cool. Peace.